All right, you ready?
Yes.
And I got rid of the flannel so we don't get yelled at. Both of those comments mentioned the flannel.
It kind of looks gothic today.
Good.
Welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is May 8th. Hi, this is whatever. Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, May 8th. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I'm Clint, I'm Kitten Bundle Manager.
So without further ado, let's get started.
So starting off this Friday, we want to talk to you about a little collection called Misty Morning from Northcott. This collection features panels, the Misty Morning quilt kit, as well as assorted yardage. The patterns you're going to be looking for on this one are trees, pine, birds, rolling hills, mountains, and a variety of alcohol ink textures in colors of yellow, ochre, white, gray, and black. So if that's your style, wake up your creativity with Misty Morning.
Next up, I want to highlight Cowgirl from Riley Blake. We are almost sold out of this group. It is going very quickly, so make sure you check it out. With this, we have the assorted yardage. Obviously, with it being the name of Cowgirl, you can expect patterns such as horses, cowgirls, florals, stripes, leather textures, and some dots on colors of teal, yellow, pink, and brown. So it's actually a brighter color scheme for a Cowgirl group. So if you are interested in this, you can giddy up to your sewing machine with Cowgirl.
Next thing we're going to talk about today is a Fort Worth Fabric Studio exclusive fat quarter bundle. This one's called Bandana and Barnwood. From weathered barnwood to faded red bandanas hanging along a Texas fence line, this bundle feels right at home under wide open skies. The patterns on this one are going to be paisleys, horseshoes, music notes, swirls, solids, and a batik print. The colors on this one are going to be red and cream. So saddle up with our Bandana and Barnwood fat quarter bundle.
Next up, we have Summer Solstice from Moda. With this, we have the charm packs and the assorted yardage, which includes toweling and wovens. With this, you can expect patterns such as sunflowers, stripes, checks and plaids, and bright colors of blue, yellow, and cream. We also have some cool kits called the Foldy Holdy kits that are going to be available in May. So if you're interested in this one, you can soak up the sunshine with Summer Solstice.
Next collection we're talking about is Berry and Sage from Riley Blake. This collection is made by Lori Holt, and it features fat quarter bundles, cute and fun notions. We've got this adorable Strawberry Crush boxed quilt kit in the shape of a strawberry, as well as assorted yardage. The patterns on this one are going to be florals and plaids in colors of pink, sage, and cream. So if you're looking for something just absolutely adorable, make something berry sweet using Berry and Sage.
Next up, we have a group that we do not want you to miss. This one's called Flora Form from Windham. This, we have the assorted yardage, which is almost gone, so it is running out pretty quickly. It's a very unique and artistic looking group with patterns such as soft botanicals and bold shapes, all in a rich palette of orange, sage, charcoal, blue, neutrals, and most pieces are going to contain gold metallic accents. So if you're interested in this cool looking group, you can create a striking masterpiece with Flora Form.
As you may know, now it is time for Comment of the Week. We like to pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. And we've got a couple this week. The first one is coming from Gene Herm 1824, who says, "My goodness, you didn't mention the 1 yard cuts. Happy May Day. It's time to ditch the flannels, boys." Both of you look spiffy, and I'm sure you did. This morning we had snow covering our car in the driveway in lovely Wisconsin. I never miss your Friday videos. Have a great week. Thank you for watching. I won't lie, I did have a flannel overshirt on earlier today, but it is getting to the right kind of weather to take those things off, that's for sure. You still got snow in Wisconsin in May. That's honestly a little bit surprising. I actually used to live in Madison and just outside of Janesville in a really small town called Magnolia. Wisconsin is my home, and I love it dearly, but I don't remember there being too much snow in May. Y'all should be getting some melting so pretty soon. So once again, we want to thank you for commenting and from watching all the way up in the frozen north. Definitely miss it up there, and we hope that you have a lovely week.
Next up, we have a comment from Margaret Lavinia, who says, "Great job, guys. Since you both have flannel shirts on, it can only mean that is it cool in Texas? Ohio has been rainy and cool. Looking forward to seeing the sun again. I might need to get some Bigfoot fabric as there have been sightings in our area. I prefer Rosie fabric as that is my little sister's name, and today is her birthday. She may be able to retire too. Thanks for sharing views of your fabric and a little promo of the Texas tourism." Thank you so much, Margaret, for always coming and checking out our videos. We love reading your comments as per always. Thank you for commenting about our flannels. It has been a little bit chillier lately. I mean, here and there, we've had some days where it's like chilly for us is like low 60s, mid 60s. So we've had some days in that, and then we've also had some days where it's hit 90. So it's kind of been going back and forth. Hopefully in Ohio it's been pretty nice and lovely weather up there. Want to congratulate Rosie if she is retiring soon. It's really cool that you have sightings of Bigfoot. Maybe you should go get a picture of him yourself.
Send it to me.
So once again, want to always thank you for leaving these comments. We appreciate it. And if y'all want to be featured in Comment of the Week next week, make sure to drop your comments down below.
Well, everybody, that's going to do it for us this week at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. We would like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might very well be featured for Comment of the Week next week. And follow us on social media. All of our links are down in the description, and we hope you have a wonderful week.
Thanks for watching.